Okay, here are the directions for how to draw Be Here Now. First, you'll get a blank piece of paper and maybe 3 different colors of markers or pens or whatever it is that you like to draw with. Next, draw a letter B laying on its side on the left-hand side of your paper. Then, with the same color, draw the letter H at the top of the page right in the center. And the third letter you create is the letter N, catty-cornered near the right side of the paper. The 3 letters that you have stand for Be Here Now. B for Be, H for Here, and N for Now. Be Here Now. The next step is to draw eyes and a nose using that letter B. In the bumps of the B, put the eyes, and the nose goes right in the middle of the letter B. Now add a smile underneath the eyes and nose. Then draw a circle around the eyes and nose and mouth so that you have a head for your bee. Draw some antenna on top of the head. Then draw a big old body connecting the head, the letter H, and the letter N together. Add some stripes to the body if you would like. And then draw a wing to go up and over and back and down with that letter H to create a wing on the top of the bee's body. And the letter N is now the bee's stinger. You're welcome to add color or any other enhancement. I always like to put 6 legs on my bee to make him look like he's ready to fly and walk and do what all a bee may do. That's it. That's step by step how to get her done. And you can go back through the video and pause as you do the steps. And when you create Be Here Now, you are actually practicing your mindfulness and you are being right here, right now in this moment and creating something fun. I hope you enjoyed this. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Have fun with whatever beesness you have to do next. Thank you.